How's everybody doing this morning? We got a late start this morning. Had to move that 121 to a different site. Got Miko on the big saw cut here. Water. For this place I want to have an outside spigot. Let's go. All right, all set up here. Got the skid steer with the forks. Truck all ready to get loaded. Like so. All right. Tearing up pretty nice. Kept running on it, breaking it up so it makes nice rubble, repurposed material. We'll use that for fill somewhere. Yeah, breaking up nice and easy. So we're gonna put the bucket and start loading out, and then we'll get the rest of this. Cut it down a couple more inches on the sub base, compact, form up. We cut that nice and straight. So we're gonna use that edge as a form, and then we'll just put a form board over there. Up and dump, up. This is why I can't get rid of this machine. She's only running at a quarter throttle. She doesn't take any fuel. Perkins diesel, 110 horsepower. D5s ain't got 110 horsepower on a dozer, you know what I mean? Monster power. Full tank of fuel lasts all week. all the blacktops out, got a form board on. So basically what's happening here is we don't have to put a catch basin or nothing, because there is the exit of the water. So you know, we're gonna slope this. There'll be a V right here, a slight V in between the truck tires. The tires are there and tires are here, so all the water's designed to go out that originally, and the blacktop just failed, and that's what happened. So we'll get this shaped up, trued up, compacted, and be good to go. All right, we're getting our grade, got our line snapped, and always use string line to measure down. That's your quickest, simplest, most efficient way to check grade. Get to your 2 points with a laser and put a string line. This half all graded, all pitching to this, and pitching out there we got about 3.5, 4 inches pitch going right out that drain. So that should work. Got to get this when we get back, cut a couple inches out of here and tamp it and install wire. Here we are, wire all installed, compacted, tamped. Got a temporary ramp for the trucks for tonight, because these guys do need these loading docks tonight, which will they'll be pulling out around 9. We'll be coming in here at 5:30 in the morning, pouring at 6. Gives it 2 days to harden before they got to be back in here on Monday. We have a 5,000 psi cement, so we will be strong enough with the wire. That's that. We will see you guys in the morning. Ooh, ooh. The owls are still out working under the lights. 5:30 in the morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We got concrete coming. Probably can't see me. Loading got the, well, you ain't gonna be able to see this. Yeah, anyways, we're here. We'll check back as soon as the light comes on. The sunlight, that is. All right, let's get our game on. First hit on the BOMAG. Looking good. Everything is pitched right to there. It's all gonna be perfect. Everything will go. All right, it is still wet. Still waiting. We just snapped the line here to divide this. We got a divider that goes on the end of the bull float. It's like a little knife. It just goes on with a bolt. We snap the line and we'll run that down so we don't have to saw cut it. We'll cut it with this. All right, we got our center cut in. Meek's just gonna bull float it with the conventional bull float. Knock her down, we'll let her set up and then broom it. All right, we got a couple passes with the broom. He's just straightening out where we got some rocks popped up there. Coming along nicely. All right, looking good. Recut that line. Got her all chamfered, edged, broomed off. Pitching all the way to there. Right on out. Should work out perfect. Everything pitches. Give you a sneak peek. So yeah, come out nice. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. We're cleaning up. It's Saturday. We're getting out of here, enjoying the rest of the day. Beautiful day. Look at that sky, huh? Beautiful. We've had a week of great weather. Great weather. So fortunate, and thanks.